This illustration from Love Over Fear reveals something empowering, that mastering your stress response begins with creating a conscious gap between impulse and how you choose to respond. When the brain's alarm system floods the body with cortisol, clear thinking becomes harder. But with simple daily practice, the prefrontal cortex recalibrates, restoring the calm, clarity, and emotional balance that already live within you. Science confirms that even a few minutes each day significantly reduces cortisol, steadies the heart, and expands your capacity for focused, compassionate thinking. Try this now. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, then exhale slowly for 6, and feel your nervous system begin to quiet. And in that stillness, you have chosen love over fear.